She said streamer on that part.
Oh.
The angle on the first part.
Melissa. Your things are messed up. I'm ready to go.
Oh, what the heck?
Ooh, that was your bad name.
You guys are crazy.
Come on, let's go.
Where are we going?
To the
It's not even
video
time to
store.
go yet.
What is that?
I miss you. I miss your smile. Ask to shed a tear every once in a while. You're different now. I just got
My
skull fell.
You should never put it right there
Thanks a
then.
lot.
Wasn't my fault. Having fun? Missy, having fun?
having fun where?
The phone.
Are you videotaping me?
Yeah. Dummy.
You're dumb. You're dummy, the fat one in the background. I might have who's that in the background. I miss your smile. And I still shed a tear every once in a while. Maybe never different now. You're still here somehow. And I won't let you go. Yes, I miss you there. That's it. Oh my god.
Unless you're dead.
Huh?
Unless you're dead, that's wrong.
Hell no, daddy going to night. No, hell no, daddy going night. Hey, ugly. I don't go by there. I want to see the video when you're done. On your ass. Nigga, never mind. Fix you guys some eggs. Good morning.